Okay, everyone, this video really is not related to all of our viewers out there. It's specifically a video that I want people to see who've been affected by this customs issue that's been going on. There's about 38 of our customers that have been subjected to an extremely long customs clearance delay that it's just turned into a nightmare. I mean, we've been let me give you some details. If you're watching this and you don't know what I'm talking about, let me give you some details. So we make our boards in China, we send them to our customers directly. They have to go through customs before they get to the end user, right? So there are many channels from China through to the end user. So these particular boards were going to Europe. They ended up being routed through Czechia. I hope I'm saying that right. That's where Prague, the country that Prague's the capital, I think. Anyway, I'm not an expert on geography, but the boards got stuck in customs there. We've never had this issue before. It's been, I think it's about 30 days now, which is obviously not acceptable. We have no control over customs. Yet, that doesn't really matter, does it? I mean, our customers at home don't care. They don't give a fuck. Really, that's the truth of it. So, when people order products, they just expect them to be delivered. Who cares what's going on in between point A and point B? But in the real world, yeah, we do have to factor this stuff in. And yeah, we need to learn from this. It's not good enough that we're trying to be the best we can be, and it's extremely difficult. Everything we are doing is extremely difficult. There are always challenges and problems to overcome, and it's just a learning thing. It's a learning curve for us, and we're gonna have to go back to the drawing board and think about this entire process, not just short term but long term as well. Short term, well, we've already got a solution where we've taken the consignment, we've extracted it essentially out of that location because it just literally stalled. Nothing was happening. It wasn't looking good. So we've taken that consignment and we're rerouting it through another location, another customs location to get it cleared, because there's no reason it shouldn't be cleared. We're like just recently we've sent another batch into Europe, went straight through. So it's just that particular location has screwed us big time, and we will not be going through Czechia again. So I apologize for anyone who really loves Czechia, but your customs suck. We're not going to use you again. And yeah, we've just got to learn from this. We obviously won't be sending anything through there again. We also need to communicate this stuff better. We've spent so much time thinking about how to communicate to our customers about production updates and what's going on there and supply chain issues. And then we get sort of blindsided by customs related stuff that, we thought was under control. We thought it wouldn't take this long. We thought it would just get cleared. We were told that that's what would happen. Our freight forwarding partner that we work with has been exceptional. That they have been doing a great job. Things have been going super smoothly until now. Everything's great until it isn't, right? That we trusted that they would be able to sort it out quickly. we certainly didn't forget about it. We were constantly pinging them every day for an update, but there was just no news. So I apologize for you guys that are been sitting around wondering what the fuck's going on. We have been too. We don't know. But anyway, let's get into more of the details. So we've taken the consignment away from that point and rerouting it. It's not going to be quick though. Could be 2 or 3 weeks. And yeah, it's not good. It's not good for people who have already been waiting for a very long time. So as a gesture of goodwill, I mean, I wish I could reverse time, but I can't. So what we're going to do is those people that have been impacted by this particular issue, we're going to do a special offer and upgrade you guys with the Foxbox Unity when it comes out. It's still obviously a while away. I mean, we need to go into mass production on it. We haven't started that yet. But once we've got it, we're going to send it out to you so you guys can upgrade your Raptor 2.1, upgrade your Raptor to a Raptor 2.1 essentially, if that's what you want to do. Or just sell it if you don't want to screw around doing technical upgrades and stuff like that, and recoup some of the cash. So hopefully you guys can understand that this issue was out of our control. We couldn't really do much to make it better, but we are trying. We have learned from this. I don't think it'll happen again. And so that's more like a short-term thing. Long-term, I think it's pretty obvious that we need to scale up our fulfillment process to cater to demand, sending directly to the user like we are doing through these channels now. It's okay, but it's not the best solution. I think eventually we will have our own warehouse partner in Europe somewhere who can we can stockpile things there, and then when orders come through, we just ship it from that warehouse to the end user. So it's going to be much quicker. There'll be no nonsense with customs or anything like that. That's our plan. And yeah, we're not going to stop trying to get better here at Enertion. That's what we do all the time. So I get that everyone's completely out of their mind, frustrated with this. So are we. This is what we do every day. We sit here and bang our heads against the wall, trying to work out how to get this product that I've dedicated the last several years of my life to making. How do I get it made? How do I get it to the people that want it? And how do I do it quickly? It's extremely complicated. We're doing our best. I apologize that our best isn't good enough. That's about all I can say. Sorry to keep you waiting. If you've got any more questions about it, hit up our 24/7 customer support. Use the forums. Whatever. If you want to get to us and talk to us, you can find a way to do it. I've had a big discussion with our team about communicating things faster to everyone and keeping people more up to date as best as possible. We've definitely slacked off in that department, and we just need to do better. That's it. So take it or leave it. That's how things are. Thank you for watching, and I'll probably see you in our next production update or vlog or something. So see you later.